In this lesson, we're going to check out Lyricstraining. Hi, I'm your teacher Victor, helping you improve your English language skills one lesson at a time. And now, to the lesson. Let's begin. Once you go to the Lyricstraining website, search for a song or singer that you like. Then select the game mode. You don't have to create a free account to play this game, so just click on maybe later. The objective of the game is to listen to the song you have selected and fill in the blanks the words that are missing. Let me show you.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
If you don't write anything or your spelling is wrong, the song will come to a stop. Just listen again by clicking here and rewind that section of the lyrics.
What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
So you can listen as many times as you need. If you find it a little bit difficult, just skip forward by clicking on this arrow and the correct answer will appear.
What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
That's it, guys. This is a very easy and simple application to use. Question of the day. Do you know a similar application? Let us know in the comment section. Catch you later. Bye.